On the evening of the 24th of September 2017, 36 Dutch tourists who were traveling from OR Tambo International Airport were stopped by a SAPS-marked vehicle with one man dressed in South African Police Service uniform and 5 others in civilian clothing. The armed men robbed the tourists of their personal possessions. 2 of the tourists were reported injured and had to be treated by paramedics at this lodge, the Zulu Nyala Country Manor. We are here as representatives of our people to convey our apologies on what has happened to our visitors. It was a traumatic experience, and that is why, as much as they wanted to stay on, but what they've come across, almost a hostage situation by criminals who undermine the authority of the state, undermine, South Africa as a country of destination. Criminals, a few group criminals, not more than 10, hold people who are unarmed, coming to the country to spend money and spend time and enjoy our country and go back to Netherlands to tell great stories about South Africa. They had to cut their trip short, obviously, because of trauma and not feeling, not in the mood. Whenever you do something, you want to be fixed to what you want to do.